In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tasks in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a task, place it in the right spot, and customize it so your work stays organized and easy to manage. First, head over to clickup.com and sign into your account. If you're new to ClickUp, you can create an account for free and follow along. Once you're in, focus on the left sidebar. This is your main map of the workspace, showing spaces at the top level, then folders inside those spaces, and finally, lists where your tasks live. Think of it like shelves, binders, and pages, with tasks being the items you add to each page. Next, choose where your task should go. In the sidebar, click the space that matches your project, like marketing or admin. If that space uses folders, open the one where the work belongs. Then select the specific list you want to add the task to, such as to-do or content calendar. If your setup doesn't use folders, that's fine. You can jump straight from space to list. Picking the right list helps keep related tasks together and makes reporting clearer later. Now add the task. In the list view, look for the Add Task button. Depending on your layout, you'll find it at the top or bottom of the list. Click it, and a text field will appear. Type a clear, action-oriented title like Write Project Proposal or Design Homepage Mockup. Keep the title short but specific so everyone knows what success looks like. Press Enter or click away, and your new task will appear in that list immediately. Open the task to customize it. Click the task title to bring up the task view. From here, assign it to the right person by using the assignee field. This sets ownership and accountability. Set a due date by selecting a date and time, which helps plan sprints and prioritize work. Choose a priority level: urgent, high, normal, or low, so the team knows where it fits among other tasks. Add a description to outline the goal, scope, or instructions. Use checklists for smaller, trackable steps, and attach any relevant files like briefs, assets, or references. These details reduce back and forth and make execution smoother. When you're done, there's no special save button. Clicking away or closing the task automatically saves your changes. You can always come back to edit the title, assignee, dates, priority, or details as your project evolves. Repeat this same process